So before the treatment, my expectations was it was gonna hurt a lot. After the treatment, it didn't hurt at all. And it was so nice. I almost fell asleep. It was super relaxing. I wanna go back again just for the massage.
원래 이쪽은 좀 이렇게 N자 형태셨나요?
Do you usually have a receding line on the right side of your hairline?
Yes, it's been like that for a few years.
더 뒤로 물러난 느낌은 없는 거죠?
I think it's gotten worse.
보면은 좀 잔머리가 있는 부위다 보니까 모발 자체가 좀 얇은 것들이 좀 찍히긴 했어요. 이따가 아마 인젝트 원장님 하실 때도 이 M자 부분도 주사를 놓으실 거거든요.
I've never seen my hair this up close before. It's crazy.
Is your hairline receding at the moment?
Yes, very much so. It's just my old lifestyle of eating like bad foods, like lots of processed, unhealthy foods, caused my hair to be this way.
thinning?
Yes.
이쪽에 M자가 많이 들어갔거든요. 일단 오늘은 주사 치료 한번 들어가 보고 경과를 한번 보시면 좋을 것 같아요. 그래서 여기는 이제 주사 치료도 하고 이제 바르는 약.
You feel good?
Very good. This is so relaxing. I love it.
You look so happy.
Just think about Owen's thick and luscious hair.
Shout out Owen.
Did it!
Okay,
job.
you're open.
Thank you.
So done.
So, how was your experience yesterday?
So my experience yesterday was very delightful. When I first got there, people were very welcoming towards me. They spoke Korean, which I don't know, but I am trying to learn Korean. But luckily we had a translator there that was helping me with translation. When I first got into the room, the doctor, he was very polite, very professional. He analyzed my head, he analyzed my hair, telling me a bit about the treatment. And then that was being translated to me in English, which was very helpful because I don't speak Korean. I went into a room, I laid down in a massage chair. I got my legs massaged, my back massaged, and then I had this one lady massaging my head, putting shampoo. It was so nice. I almost fell asleep. It was super relaxing. I want to go back again just for the massage. Then they did the procedure of the needles, and from a scale from 1 to 10, the pain level was like maybe 3 max, and it was quite fast. So before the treatment, my expectations was it was gonna hurt a lot. After the treatment, it didn't hurt at all. I woke up this morning, I was expecting my head to be sore from the procedure, but it was not sore at all. I think that was due to the pre-care. I'm washing my hair like very clean, the doctor going very gentle and being very skilled, and I think that helped with my overall outcome.